What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I made some major changes to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Um, One stock was completely out of control. I got it when it was low. I just couldn't keep up, and it really screwed up the allocation in my strategy that I wanted to do. So I had to sell it, and I'll show you what I did in regard to the changes that I made and what I plan on doing. So if you're new to this channel, I do updates all the time on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and I provide my rationales to why I invest in these certain stocks. So we're going to check this out right now. So here is my dividend portfolio, the Death Star. I'm at $14,333.21. My goal is to get to $100,000 and just keep on going. But right now, I had my first goal of getting to $10,000. I earned $417.48. My return is 89.09%, and I'll show you what stock I had to sell right now and the changes that I made and why I did it. So I'm selling innovative industrial properties in my business development companies as of right now. I'll show you in a second. But IIPR, I got it real low, and what I should have done with IIPR is buy it individually and just keep on reinvesting the dividends because it distributes a very nice dividend. I'm eventually going to buy the stock again, but it is just so out of control right now. I cannot keep up with it. I was up 300 or so percent, and the allocation, I could not really focus on my section because I wanted to focus on the real estate section and at least get 25,000 and then change into another sector to attack and then slowly change the distribution. So Iron Mountain, I have, uh, it's right at $33.17. I'll show you how many shares I own in a second, but I have LTC as well. So my original plan, and I'm sticking to it, is to earn $1,000 to $3,000 on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. So with this stock, it distributes a monthly dividend and it's down, and I really need to capitalize on it because it distributes a monthly dividend. IIPR distributes a quarterly dividend, and it's a great stock. It earned me income. I really like it, but it's just got too out of control. So I'll show you my activity, what's going on. So Stellus Investment Corp and Gain, I have Gain on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So what I'm eventually going to do is buy Gain. I'll show you what I'm going to do in my future videos. So again, make sure you stay tuned and watch my videos. I try to post videos daily now, if not within the next 3 days, but I will make an announcement in the comment section if I'm not making a video. So LTC and Iron Mountain, I'm putting in basically 1,000 a piece. So my original plan with Matt Ramey's dividend investing strategy, Iron Mountain distributes dividend at a certain point, and LTC distributes a monthly dividend. So with this strategy, and I'll show you what I mean with IIPR. So I could not get this down. Okay, it just kept on going up because of IIPR. I had no answer to it. I'm not going to change the allocation, but I really capitalized in IIPR. I will start investing in it again. It's like $200 a share, and I got it really low. I just could not keep up with it. And this thing is just gonna, eventually I'll make pretty good money with this sector, but with this section, I have a goal. I want to at least get to, get $15,000 and then switch and then go after another sector because I have these guys. Okay, I need to focus on these guys as well. And you notice I added QYLD just to 1%. So eventually, these are going to start. These allocation of these stocks are going to go down to 1%, and then I'm going to start attacking other sectors. So these guys will fund this. This will fund these guys. It'll be a nice symbiotic relationship, as you say. But right now, things were just way too out of hand. I could not control anything with this. So I went after that. And the nice thing, I will probably put more money. I'll add gain to my business development company section. I'm going to add gain and main to this because I wanted to attack those sectors. I have main and gain on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, which I'm clearly reinvesting my dividends. And this will help, those monthly dividend stocks will help me go into, I apologize if you hear background noise. I'm here with family and my nieces are a little wild right now. But these will keep on going, and these dividends will reinvest, and gain will slowly increase its monthly dividend as well as main. So that's what's nice. And what I might add in this section, okay, since I have LTC, and I'll show you how many holdings I have. I have 22 shares right now. So if I can get to like 100 or something, then we're talking. So I want to get a high number of this so that way I start buying more shares and the monthly dividends start kicking in so that I can buy more shares of these guys, and then it just starts getting crazy. So look at this. I mean, I got this when it was so down, okay? And I mean, who's going to say no to that? I mean, if I had oh man, I could just imagine if I had that there's a few mistakes that I made. One of them was I probably should have paid on my E-Trade dividend portfolio and just kept IIPR there. Those quarterly dividends are so attractive, and probably in the future, I don't know if it's too late, but this was a hell of an investment, and I really can't complain. I'm gonna, promote this stock. I will be going after it, just like I had Disney and Boeing and stuff, but I just capitalized it on them when I sold it, and I just really like the potential. So imagine getting 100 shares in all these and then letting all the dividends reinvest. So again, it's a slow process. It's going to take time to get. Once I get to 100,000, I mean Pfizer, AT&T. Once I get to 100 shares of these things, holy moly! I mean that's going to be really exciting and really, the I don't even know. I can't even think about it because that's so far ahead of time, and I just need to focus on the here and now. But if I can get to like 100 shares of these guys, and these will start buying other stocks. I mean, I'm really excited. So these business development companies will kick in, and a lot of these monthly dividend stocks that I have will start buying into the other ones. I know I just said that before, but again, the goal is to get to $100,000 and just keep on going. I mean, I earned $417.48 in earned dividends, and this is huge because this is because of mostly IIPR. But it's time to sell it because I just cannot keep up. I need to keep my allocation strong. Real estate has been down. Probably the next sector that I'll go after is energy, but I want to at least have 10 or so stocks in each thing. Okay, at least 10 stocks in the real estate sector. That way I can start pumping money in and just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and growing. So that's why I put Spirit Realty Capital a little bit higher, and Omega Healthcare Investors a little bit higher, because these dividends are just going to start making a killing. So that's what's going to be exciting. I've seen some strategies how to almost make dividends weekly now, but I do have a lot of shares, so I need to really not buy any more of these and just put the brakes on let these dividends kick in and let the compound interest kick in, because I do have a lot of stocks. Um, I think this is enough for these. I'm not going to add any more to this section, and then I'm just going to start building sectors and sectors to start building upon things. So, $20,000, that'd be cool, but again, the goal is to really start making that $2,000 to $4,000 a month, and that's when things are going to start getting really dangerous. Or $1,000 a month on my monthly dividends. If I can get that with these, that's going to take time. If I can even get to $100, now we're talking with these dividend stocks. So let me know what you think of me selling IIPR. Have you guys ever had any experiences with your dividend stocks, things getting out of hand and you just don't know what to do? Let me know. And again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. Hope you guys have a safe weekend. And, it's almost over. The economy's pumping up, vaccines pumping out, things are opening up, the economy's looking good, and the future is bright in this country, and the future is bright with your dividend portfolios as well. So again, my videos are free. I don't believe in charging people, and this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I have a disclaimer in my comments, but this is all for you guys. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, providing my rationales and everything. So I just want to let you know. So remember, I'm just a nurse. As they all say, you're just a nurse. But guess what? I'm making passive income. I prepared for this during a pandemic, and I'm rolling. So now I'm going to be like really frugal. School's getting a little bit more intense. There's practitioner school's getting a little intense. Midterms are coming up. So I got to keep on rolling. So you guys got to keep on rolling. So you guys take care and have a good one.